Morning, everybody. Well, as there's been some projects that y'all haven't gotten a chance to have a look at, this track loader's one of them. We just got done fixing the right brake, which also takes care of the steering for this. But one of the biggest reasons why I wanted to make this particular video was to point out our services. One of the services that we do is rebuilding valves, such as the valve that you've seen in the John Deere front end loader valve rebuild. There's also a valve here that of course handles all of the bucket operation. So with that said, whether you're talking about big valves or small valves, we can typically handle any of those rebuilds for those particular parts, as well as we also rebuild hydraulic cylinders. We repack them. And whether you're talking about small guys like this off of a front end loader for a little smaller John Deere tractor, or you're talking about much larger cylinders such as this, we can certainly handle those needs. We also take care of undercarriages as well, engine rebuilds, many electrical problems, you name it. When it comes to heavy equipment, we take care of pretty much all situations, big or small. Like the bulldozer that we're working on now inside the shop that we'll introduce you to soon, that caught on fire. This unit here we're fixing to replace head gaskets on. So just wanted to bother to point out that we cover many services, guys. So check us out. If you haven't heard us mention a service yet that you're curious if we do, by all means give us a call. We probably do. Catch you later, guys. Hey everybody, thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and hit the like button.
And don't forget to share and hit that notification bell.